What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to another video. So today not very much because of the rain. Oh, my darkness stopped. Guys, if you're not hearing me because the rain is fall right now. Like it not fall, well it fall but not like fall that hard. So if you're not hearing. So today me I could do one night routine. Well technically I did one before, but that me did have to take it back down. So I'm gonna do one right. I'm gonna do one right now. So let's get into it. Ready. I shouldn't say we're not fall hot. I don't know if I'm not see it, but I know like it just fall it not fall that hard, but it falls hard. Alright now, so right now I'm gonna look some clothes and I'm gonna look some clothes right now. So when I look them, maybe I'm going to the bathroom, maybe link me up. Alright guys, now me in the bathroom, so I'm gonna just get to my daily routine and something. The problem is that I have no, I wish I had to put up the camera. You know what's the problems I put up this thing, like always I have problems. I can't put it this. Alright, let me see if I can do it right here. Yeah, they know. It's like what I said before, I'm just gonna get straight on my daily, on my night routine. I just put in my night routine. Alright, now it's waiting. I want to wait, I want to go back in. Let's wait. Alright now guys, as you can see, my face washing everything. So right now, I'm just gonna go to get fresh and I'm swinging back my next 20 bill. Yeah, next 2 hours. No, not necessarily, but you know what I mean. Alright guys, now I'm done paid as you can see. My face looks smooth. Alright, to me alone. My face looks smooth. You know. But anyways, I done paid now as you can see. I'm have on the new shirt, whatever. Yeah, I done paid, so just enjoy the video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Most importantly, please guys subscribe if you love this. Please subscribe if you loved this video. Oh, and the reason I could do it out in my room because like every time I got the water the place is like so dark. The place is dark, so that's why I could get the I could get the kind of place is so dark and plus there is that bass and I think would I hear me clearly. So yeah, just to all of them good night and we'll see you guys in the next video. So peace.